SI5 comes with 5 sample projects that will need to be imported if you wish to view them. To do this, click the Projects tab, then click the Import a Project link here. That's going to bring up the Project Import Wizard. Click Next, and then click Browse. Now, you're going to browse to the location where you unzipped the SI5 trial from when you installed it. So in this example, the trial was downloaded to the desktop of this machine and extracted there. So we'll go ahead to this folder, then the Pro Trial folder. You'll see a folder in here called Sample Files, and inside of there is a Projects folder. And these are the 5 sample projects. So you can start at the top of the list and work your way down till you find the project file. You'll notice the little SI5 icon next to it. Go ahead and select that, hit open, click next, and you'll see that it's processing the DTL file, which is the file extension for these. There will be additional files for these sample projects. Some of them will have Visio drawings, some of them will have AutoCAD drawings, and some will have both for these examples. So just go ahead and leave that checked. Just go ahead and click Next on this, and then click the Import button. When done, go ahead and click the Close button on the form, and then repeat these steps for the remaining projects. You may have to scroll down in this list now to find the Import a Project function because new functionality has been added now that a project exists here. I'll go ahead and import those other 4 right now. Now that all the sample projects have been imported, I'll show you how to open them. We'll start with the text interface. In order to open a file in the text interface, just highlight the project that you want to open, and you can either double click it, you could click the link up here that says open this project in SI text, or you can right click and choose open project in SI text. You're going to see a prompt here asking you if you'd like to check out the file before opening it. You're going to want to say yes to this. What this procedure is doing is it's checking the project out from the server. When we imported these files, they automatically check them into the server. Checking projects in and out of the server is how you will end up sharing projects in a multi-user environment. So choosing no in this case here would still open the project file, but it would be read-only. You have to check out a project in order to be able to edit it. Not that I'm planning to edit this right now, but I will choose yes to check this file out. And here is the SI5 text interface. You can see on the right hand side here you have your bill of materials that we put together for this project file, organized in this case by location, then by zone. So feel free to take a look at these. These are sample projects. You can do whatever you want with them. You could check out the project information under the D-Tools menu here, or the options menu, which include the labor that's being charged on this particular project and the taxes on this particular project. You can also run reports from here if you choose, proposal reports, management reports. I'll show you how to run reports just a little bit later in this video from a different location. But for now, again, that's how you open the text interface. I'll go ahead and close this and show you how to open it in the other drawing interfaces. The first one we'll take a look at here is the Visio interface. This one happens to have Visio and AutoCAD drawings for it. If you right-click the project file, choose Open in Visio, and then select the Visio drawing that's listed here beneath the words New Drawing. And here you will see the Visio interface. Over here on the left-hand side, if you expand this, you'll see the same bill of materials that we saw in the text interface. There's also a D-Tools menu that's been added to the standard Visio menus along the top here. Again, project information, options, reports. And feel free again to look around in any of these project files. We have different page types here along the bottom. In this case, this particular project has a line diagram, which you can see here. It has an elevation view, and it also has a plan view. Now, there could have also been a schematic page in here, but in this example, we did the schematic drawing over in AutoCAD. So I'll now close the Visio interface here and open it one more time in the AutoCAD interface. So if you come up here to open in AutoCAD, you'll choose the drawing file beneath this. In this case, it's going to be the one that says schematic versus the external references that we also included for this file. When you click this, it's going to launch in AutoCAD. And this is the schematic drawing for this project. Inside of AutoCAD, you'll see over here on the left-hand side that, again, you have your project data matrix or your bill of materials for this project. And, of course, we also added the D-Tools menu inside of the AutoCAD interface as well. I'll go ahead now and close this project file. And I'll show you now how to run a proposal based off of any one of these sample project files. To do that, just go ahead and click the Reports tab. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of reports. You can scroll through this list. It's automatically expanded for you. We have client reports, installation reports that can be run, and then management reports as well. So feel free, again, to run any report you want against these sample projects to see how powerful our reporting engine is here in SI5. The one I'm going to go ahead and run for you right now will be a proposal with images. This particular report puts the JPEG images for the products next to the line items inside of the report. So in order to run this, you can double click it and it will run the default definition for this particular report, or you can expand the list and choose how you want to run the report. In this case, I'm just going to run this one by location. So I'll double click that and a proposal will be generated on a tab over here to the right. All of the proposal reports in SI5 start off with a cover sheet where you can see the client's information here. Your information will list along the bottom here with your logo once you input it and your actual company information. If you scroll down here using these buttons, you can see that broken down by location, we're showing the products over here, and the ones that have JPEGs are showing next to those, pricing for the products. And if you go all the way to the last page of the report, you'll see the summary here. You've got the an equipment list, any miscellaneous parts that you're charging for, labor, sales tax, and a grand total on the job, a place for signatures. So, yes, and that's how you run reports based off the sample products in SI5.